Look how cute this is. I hope I can find plenty of pieces here without the holes and a lot of yellowing, so I can combine it with this. I feel like my eyes are bugging out looking at this pattern. リメイクよリメイクね、もうブランドニューじゃないからさ、それがまた楽しいわけよ。Looks like a hospital gown. But this, I think that could work. Previously on Madly Kimono, I shared my method for finding vintage kimono online. In this episode, I'm taking an adorable yukata from a bundle I purchased that turned out to be too small to wear, so I'm upcycling it into a summer top with cap sleeves and a matching belt. My ideas will change along the way, as they always do, so get comfortable and spend a few moments with me. If you love kimono and sewing content like this, please like, subscribe, and say hello in the comments. Enjoy! This used to be my father's yukata, and it has very similar pattern of shibori. This has a little more light blue in it, and this doesn't on the lines. But I think I can use both of these and combine it into a top. I removed all of the threads here, and I'm still seeing the little pieces as I'm cleaning this up. As you can see, quite a bit of yellowing in some areas, stains. So I will go ahead and wash all of it first and then mark the area. I'm really looking forward to seeing how well it washes. So let's take a look. I don't want to have this curve in this design, so I'm going to go just straight across. And I think I might do like a split up to here, maybe 4. And for the neckline, I feel like I could go a little wider. I don't know, let's just try it. We can always cut it. this is ready to go. And look how bright the whites are now. And it feels really good. It doesn't have that dingy feel to it, and it's very crisp. And all of the yellowing that I saw, it's pretty much 90% gone. 軽くね、アイロンかけます。絞りを平たくしたくないし、もうちょっとね、アイロンかけないとダメかなと思って。ちょっとシミがね、この辺についてるかなって感じなんだけど、もうそうでもないからね、あんまり気にしたくないんだよね。この辺ちょっとあるけど、まあね、こうやって見ないとわかんないんだったらいいと思う。もう別に気にしなくてもいいと思う。I feel like this is not quite what I want. But that's okay, that's how it starts. So I'm gonna put clips on here and try it on. See if I need to make any adjustments. And see if I want to start introducing the other fabric into it. Looks like a hospital gown. Oh, I don't know. It needs work. Back to the drawing board. After the failed attempt, which I'll just call a good first attempt, a draft, let's say, I got serious. I'm on a mission now to turn this into something at least wearable. While making the pattern, I mentioned that I wanted the neckline to be wider, but I think I cut off a little too much fabric. That's okay. It will still work. For the collar interfacing, I decided to use the same fabric. I think the proper way would be to sew the front and back interfacing pieces together first, then attach them to the main section of the shirt. But I didn't do that. It still worked out fine though. For the belt, I made a separate piece for the front and 2 long pieces for the back, then attached them together. At first, I thought about just wrapping the belt around the waist over the shirt. But to make it fit more snug in the front, I cut across the front shirt panel and attached the front of the belt to it. That way I could also add a couple of small pleats for shaping. The idea to add cap sleeves was a last-minute decision. I didn't want it to look too top-heavy, so having just a small amount of flower yukata seemed like a good plan. I put it on the wrong side. Look at that. I have to take this apart. This is not very sharp. Oh, way better. The other one was so small. And this one's kind of giant, but it does work better. It's getting late, that's probably why I should have double checked before I sewed it together. I'm learning something new every time I sit down to sew. I'd love to hear about your own journey with upcycling, sewing, and all things kimono. What were your aha moments? Please leave your comments below. I decided to make hair scrunchie with the fabric that I was going to use for the front of the belt, and then I cut it too short. So I figure I'd just make it into a loop and put some elastic in it and make it into a scrunchie. There you go. Looks pretty cute. I think this yukata summer top with cap sleeves turned out really nicely. I like how the flower patterns lined up overall. The V-neck on the back and the angled ends on the long belt complement each other too. I also saved all the scrap fabric from this project, and once I collect a bit more, I'll turn it into something new. Thank you for watching this episode all the way to the end. I appreciate you all so much. If you have any questions, feedback, or ideas for future episodes, please share them in the comments. I love reading your thoughts and hearing what you're making with kimono, yukata, and obi. See you soon!